Take a ride in the 2017 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.